Section 8 tenant, just like we wanted, so we'll get $16.88
Yeah.
a month. That's why.
$16.88 a month.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good rent, right?
Yeah, that's the only reason why the numbers work.
Yeah.
So even with all that rehab, it'll still be a 14 cap, which is what I promised her I would get her.
Yeah, 14. That's a good return on investment.
Yeah.
So I'm here at a property in Markham. I'm with my mentor Randy Pertler. And we're doing a quick walkthrough, and then I'm gonna ask him some questions. He say hi, Randy.
Hey, how you doing?
So he is 26 rental properties. Is that right?
It's in the 20s.
So he don't want to say.
Well, we buy some, sell some, and
Yeah.
so I usually don't keep an active count. But
Okay.
yeah, we usually keep between 20 and 30 at any given time.
23rd. Okay.
Yeah.
And then how many flips you got going right now?
We have 8 flips going right now. One of them, we've got a closing date on the sale tomorrow, so that one will be an exit, and then we use those funds to do other projects.
All right. So tell us about this one we had. Like, how did you acquire it? And
Okay, yeah, so this is one that I was helping one of the students that I mentor. She was looking for a rental property with a great return. I told her that I could find one with a 14% return, and that's exactly what this number ended up. So this was a foreclosure. We got it for $30,000. We ended up putting in $45,000, which is a little more than what we thought, but we did a brand new roof on both the house and the garage. We also did all new windows, which we originally didn't plan on maybe doing, but in the long run, it's definitely going to be great for her asset, protecting her asset. Everything is in this place is new, so we did brand new floors. So this is new flooring in the kitchen. Gutted it, new countertops, new backsplash. The appliances on my rental properties, I usually do used appliances, but nice used appliances. They come with warranties. Again, this is ceramic tile. Then we did carpet in the living room. You can see the nice new windows over there on the side. This lower level was in really bad shape. We had to gut this out. All new. We did all new drywall all the way around and had a drop ceiling. We put in a regular ceiling with these recessed lights. Sealed it up real nice. We put this wall, this was all open, and we put this wall to create a laundry room. That keeps the utilities separate, so it really looks nice in there. You're not seeing all the stuff from that family room. I had to upgrade the electrical service, so that's more of the expense there. This had to be inspected by the housing authority because this tenant has a voucher. One of the reasons we were able to get such a great return for the investors because they'll pay $16.88. The rent will be $16.88, and the tenant pays all utilities. So go ahead and we'll come upstairs here. This is a split level. You see quite a few of these in this neighborhood. So up in this upper level, this is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. So this is what's considered a master. This is the biggest bedroom here. It's not a lot bigger than the other ones, but it has a double closet, so that's great.